Hey, hi, you're watching Unicorn Pops. Hey, so this is a fake punk boy that we started to customise a while back. However, the kids didn't really want to play with it and it's just sat on my side. Oh, I really want to be different. Nobody loves me. So here I am going to use some air dry clay to sculpt the hair differently. I'm going to try and put it over the hair to see if it works so that we don't have to do any cutting. No, it's not really working on the going over the head, so I'm going to have to cut off the mohawk and then start again. So that's what I've done, cut it off, and here we go again. Okay, so this doll has kind of turned into a miniature of me. So I'm putting on fringe and trying to work out how I'm going to curl the hair. I'm just rolling it separately because I want it to be curls, so I put it together and now I'm rolling it, putting it together. I'm using a graphite pencil as a bit of a pointy thing to make some more curls in the hair, so it's a little bit more obvious on the clay. And cleaning up the edges on the face. Huh? No, leave it? Okay. So now I'm just painting the hair black. I have blue hair at the moment, but I generally have black hair all the time. My kids associate me with black hair. I absolutely adore glitter. I think glitter needs to be on everything. And so I have decided I'm going to make me a glitter LOL. Okay, so I've put an extra layer of gloopy glue nail varnish over the top of the glitter, but it didn't. Mod Podge time! Trying to get that layer on to seal everything in. And now for the eyes! I have lots of tattoos, as you may have noticed in my videos, so that's why I've done little squiggles all over the arms, just to look like I've got 2 full sleeves. Oh no, she looks grumpy! Got to start again. Let's redo those lips. Now I have a little heart on my cheek, and the kids call it my cutie mark, but on the LOL one didn't look quite right, so I added 2 hearts on both sides. Wow, thank you! Thanks for watching Unicorn Pops. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below.